Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the keyboard for the Dell Latitude 7392-1. Let's dive right into the necessary steps. First, ensure you have your tools ready: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Having a clean workspace will also make this process smoother. Start by powering off your device and disconnecting it from any power source. Once that's done, gently flip the laptop over to access the rear panel. You'll find several screws securing the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside using compressed air to ensure optimal performance. Next, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. You may need to remove a few more screws that secure the keyboard itself. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. If you're unsure about handling this, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and can assist you with any concerns. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard out of its position. Disconnect the keyboard cable by gently pulling it from the socket. If you don't have the tools for this, consider that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Now, it's time to install the new keyboard. Align it with the frame and connect the keyboard cable back into its socket on the motherboard. Make sure it's securely in place to avoid any functional issues later. After connecting the new keyboard, secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is aligned properly and that there are no loose connections. If you have any doubts about the installation, you can always reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you are making the right decision. Finally, replace the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it snaps into place. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure it. Power your device back on, and test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you followed these steps carefully, you should now have a fully functioning keyboard on your Dell Latitude 7392-1. Remember, if you encounter any issues, our service is just a call away, no travel required. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helped you successfully replace your keyboard. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.